All right, I want to talk to you real quick about taking off your Chromebook case, cleaning your Chromebook, and then putting the case back on. And in doing so, I want to make sure I draw attention to these little flaps here on the edge of your Chromebook. All right, these things are fragile, they will break. So when you take your Chromebook cover off, please, please, please make sure that you do so gently, not to break these little tabs. You break these little tabs and it will cost you a new Chromebook case, and I don't think anybody wants to buy a new Chromebook case. Okay, so I'm going to give you some tips, some tricks here on how to do this easily, hopefully. So that they don't break. So the first thing you want to do is open your Chromebook a little bit. All right. You can see I've got it open here. And then I'm just going to reach up and I am going to take a hold of the tabs with my thumb on the Chromebook. Let me move this up a little bit. With my thumbs on the Chromebook, peel up and then pull back. Okay. If your Chromebook's open a little bit, then that should just slide right off. All right, I'm going to lay that piece aside and then flip your Chromebook over, and we're going to do the same thing. Just grab a hold of the tabs right here, put your thumbs on the hinge part, and gently peel those little tabs off. Once you peel those little tabs off, work your fingers down the edge and slide it off the front. Okay, now I'm going to talk about cleaning. With the wipe that you've been provided, you want to wipe the Chromebook case. Make sure you get in all the corners, all the edges, get the thing cleaned up. Make sure you do both sides, the front and the back, okay? Also, you want to make sure that you do both sides of the case, both pieces of the case. So you get both pieces wiped, all the corners, the front, the back, the edges, all that good stuff. Get all the dirt off of it, all the crusties, the gross, whatever's on there, get it off. Cleaning your Chromebook, same deal. We're just going to wipe it down. You've already should have powered it off, so it being on is not, it is not on at this point. All right, wipe it down, wipe the hinges, wipe the top, wipe the edges, wipe all over. Make sure you get all the crusties and stuff off of it again, just like your case. All right, we're going to wipe inside, wipe the screen, wipe the keyboard. Make sure you get in there where the screen and the keyboard come together. Get all that cleaned up. Make sure if you have taped anything on, down here in the corner or anywhere you have tape on it, make sure you get that wiped off and all the tape and all the sticky off of it. Okay, make sure you slide out your stylus, give it a gentle wipe down. All right, you don't have to wipe it hard, so do not break the tip. Give it a gentle wipe down and put it back in. Now you're going to set your Chromebook and your case aside for a few minutes until it is all dry. Once it is dry, put it all back together just like we've had it all year. All right, now I want you to look at the Chromebook cases. This Chromebook case, this half has no holes in it whatsoever. It is one solid piece. This goes on the top. The piece with the two holes right here, I've got my thumbs through them, okay? The piece with the two holes, this goes on the back, and it matches up with the speakers on the back of your Chromebook. All right, so again, just like we did before, we're going to open it up a little bit. This time, we're going to do it in reverse. All right, so we're going to slide the front of the case on the front of the Chromebook. The front edge goes on the front of the Chromebook with your little hinge tabs, which is going to slide your fingers up the edges. Click the tabs in place. Make sure they click in place. When you get that half done, flip it over. May have to open your Chromebook back up and do the same thing. Repeat again. So the front edge gets slid on. Work your hands up the edges. And then the last thing you should do is click the little tabs in place. Again, make sure you are taking your time so that you don't break off the tabs. All right, once you're finished, make sure it's all on there secure, and you are finished. Once you do that, Wait for further instructions.